The rainy season has again exposed the poor state of drainage in Accra, the capital of Ghana.
The lack of a proper drainage system often leads to the perennial flooding of certain communities in Accra. Heavy rains create puddles, which do not only inconvenience residents of these affected areas, but also serve as a breeding ground for mosquitoes, hence the spread of malaria and other sicknesses caused by unsanitary conditions. The roads leading to these residents also become immotorable to both motorists and pedestrians. Some people find innovative ways of minimizing these inconveniences caused by the rain, but for how long would this have to continue?